Samsung, don't you feel like to upgrade your phone? My phone is slightly faster. How about your phone?
My phone's been great. It's been introducing really new technologies like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. Unless you who just put something, a notch of a say thing on every new iPhone every year they introduce.
So future-proof is my future toast to me. At least my Pixel can optimize the 5G connectivity by using our easy adaptive. We can change between 5G and 4G for better battery lives. And when users need higher connectivity, it will automatically change back to 5G for them.
Come on guys, as if you guys don't get sanctioned from US, from key technology, including 5G and Google software. Anyway, let's put them cover card with new controversial and important phone, which called Huawei Mate 60 Pro smartphone. It's currently the center of US and China geopolitical right now. They come out with their own chips called Kirin 9000, which combine the processor and component for what appear to be 5G connectivity.
Let's go on device round for Apple. So now consider interconnected networks of devices. Example, I've tried explaining the Apple ecosystem through this garden box. Your journey into the garden likely started with an iPhone, then you bought an Apple Watch, AirPods. Because they work so well with the iPhone, this big section here is an Apple software. All of these Apple only features, they don't work with Android phones or Windows computers. So the final big area of the garden is Apple services. So in this first service area, you have everything from Apple TV Plus, WhatsApp computer, to the Apple Music, to the Apple Fitness Plus. Push-ups are also here. With most of these, you have to pay more in the form of monthly plans. And Apple often uses its power over the platform to persuade you. For instance, this perpetual pop-ups in the settings menu, some of these services are available for other gardens, for example, Android or Windows, but the experience is always better on Apple devices.
For this part, I will tell you what interesting about Huawei device. Let's start with Huawei challenge losing access to Google mobile service. So they have started building its ecosystem center around Huawei mobile service and Google app galleries. They eventually success in creating a self-sustainable ecosystem, potentially transitioning to Harmony OS that's made them independent from third-party component, similar to Apple model, which Samsung can only dream of. Alright, show me what you got, Google.
You guys have listened to other brands. Google Pixel devices offer more than that. As Google design and control Androids, it's clear that Google Pixel is engineered with Android at its core, ensuring the most compelling Android experience as well take the lead in the Android updates. With Google's Tensor chip, top-notch security is guaranteed. And Google's Pixel also seamlessly integrated with Google's ecosystem, both hardware and software.
Samsung's ecosystem encompasses a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and smart home appliances, all designed to work seamlessly together. Their ecosystem is centered around their Galaxy line of products, which run on the Android operating system customized with Samsung's One UI interface. Samsung's device lineup covers a wide range of price points and features. They often introduce innovative features such as foldable smartphones with Galaxy Z series and high-end camera capabilities in their Galaxy S and Note S series.
Let's move to round 3. Firstly, I'll explain you what ARKit is. So ARKit allows you to create augmented reality experience for iPhone, iPad, Vision, OS, things like that. To understand the environment around you, hand tracking, face tracking, motion capture. And everyone setting up right, we knew they weren't investing all this time, money, resources into augmented reality for people to able to hold up their iPads and look through it. But here are 7 years later. The Vision Pro is the reality. How about this one? Environments let you expand your space. Now this is an office. It could be an office, but environments also work with any app.
Application refer to software programs designed to handle specific tasks for users, and in this aspect, Google's Pixel obviously take the lead. As the product from Google, a big name in software technology, Google Pixel phone brings unique features to the table, setting them apart from other Android counterparts. For instance, the Clear Calling app enhances the other caller's voice and reduces background noise, or Google Photo Magic Editor allows users to freely edit without needing to use another app. And let's not forget about Google Workspace applications seamlessly integrated into Pixel phones offer a cohesive and conflict-free user experience. It's Google at its best with no compromises.
Samsung has its own ecosystem of applications and services, including Samsung Pay, Samsung Health, and Bixby. They also collaborate with many developers to provide a wide range of applications through Galaxy Store.
Apple's ability to innovate when you work at a small business, IT can be a big deal, right? At first there were just few of you, until one day there was 50 people, and 50 people could mean 150 devices to manage. That's a small business, but with not so small IT demands. That's where we come in, which is Apple Business Essentials. It makes managing Apple devices as easy as using them.
It provides a range of business services, including NOC security for mobile devices, as well as enterprise solutions for businesses to manage and secure their mobile devices.
Well iPhone 1. And for marketing strategy, Google just stick to the simple, traditional way of highlighting the unique, groundbreaking features of the Pixel phone. Recently, there's a start to have some mocking iPhone videos for the advertisement with the hashtag Best Phone Forever.
Apple has heavily promoted their trade-in program in recent years, encouraging users to give up their old iPhone in exchange for a discount on a new model. Over a third of Apple Store customers now utilize this program, but it left many people wondering why Apple even wants our old iPhone. So it's no coincidence that Apple began offering discount in 2013, and the reason is they solved two problems. Firstly, that the company facing is slowing iPhone sales due to market saturation and the users waiting longer to upgrade due to iPhone's price rising year after year. So Apple gives the impression of luxury and high status. One example is that iPhone costs more than Samsung tablets. The brand uses high prices to go along with its high quality logos and unique ideas. So the company also uses a price approach called freemium, which is a mix of free and premium pricing. Some Apple goods are free, but to get better benefits, people have to pay. For example, the brand gives 5G.
Huawei's strategic approach focused on supporting national ICT policy, building a healthy ecosystem, and creating end-to-end business and partner to thrive in emerging digital economies. The company serves customers through self-service online platform for browsing, purchasing, and account management. For commercial and institutional clients, Huawei provides tailored consulting service to establish long-term relationships and meet specific project needs.
The marketing strategies of Samsung, I don't need to say anything. Let's just look at this video and decide for ourselves.
Guys, I'm so amped I could stay here for 3 weeks.
9 hours down, and we're almost in the door. I think 2 people just left.
There.
Not sure. What is that? Guys,
Whoa. Hey, bro.
can we see your phone?
Sure. Can I see with my hands?
Have you seen this thing?
Check out the screen. This thing is huge.
It's pretty massive, and it's got 4G speed.
It's magnificent.
Samsung.
Samsung? That's a Samsung. Yeah.
I can never get a Samsung. I'm creative.
Dude, you're a barista.
Why don't you guys just get 4G phones?
Why don't you just get a 4G phone?
Yeah, it's a Galaxy S2. This phone is amazing.
The Galaxy S2 from Samsung.